Hi everyone. In the previous video, we covered reported speech statements. In this video, we will continue with reported questions. Let's start. Reported questions tell what other people have asked. For example, Jill, are your jobs satisfying? Jill asked if our jobs were satisfying. This is a reported question. Similarly, the man, why are you late? The man asked why I was late. This is a reported question. As you can see in the examples, there are two types of reported questions. One, reported yes/no questions, and two, reported information questions. Now, let's see how we can report yes/no questions. To introduce a reported yes/no question, use asked, wanted to know, wondered as reporting verbs in the reporting clause, then if, and follow statement word order, which is subject and verb. James, do you know Peter? James asked me if I knew Peter. This is a reported question. James asked me is reporting clause. Then comes if, because it's a yes/no question. And then we follow statement word order. Of course, don't forget to make other necessary changes. You becomes I, and simple present tense becomes past simple tense. Another example is, the police officers, have you worked on a newspaper before? The police officers wanted to know if I had worked on a newspaper before. This is a reported question. The police officers wanted to know is reporting clause. Then comes if, and then statement. You becomes I, and have worked becomes had worked. The other type of reported questions is reported information questions. To introduce a reported information question, again, we use expressions like asked, wanted to know, and wondered in the reporting clause, and then comes WH question word, and then statement word order. Here is an example. The interviewer, why are you interested in TV? The interviewer wondered why I was interested in TV. This is a reported question. The interviewer wondered is reporting clause. Then comes why, WH question word. And then we follow statement word order. The other changes are you becomes I, and are becomes was. The team leader, how did you contribute to our project? The team leader wanted to know how I had contributed to their project. We start the reported question with the reporting clause, and then comes the WH question word how, and then statement. you becomes I, and past simple becomes past perfect. And of course, are becomes there. I want to draw your attention here. Look at the example. Jenny, do you have any new video games? Jenny asked me if I had any new video games. Is there a problem? Of course. In reported questions, don't use auxiliary verbs like do, does, did. And don't use a question mark. The correct version is, Jenny asked me if I had any new video games. Practice time. Now, pause the video and change the direct questions into reported questions using the prompts.